Hello, y'all. Thank you for being here. This is for my bride. Oh, die, right. Oh, die. This is for my bride. Oh, die. I'm looking at her like, wow, she could be the mother of my child. Ain't no other girl as wild. Said I'm shot to the heart like loud. We be in the telly burning down, champagne burning out. She's the reason for the soul and the sound. She ain't just no face in the crowd. Ain't no other girl as wild. Said I wanna get on her right now. Baby, we can burn it down. I got lucky when the cards dealt. My girl, same skin tone as caramel. She won't get high, do whatever boo say. I pick her up with 2 L's, call me Cool Day. Yeah, might even let her roll the loose. Holler at her like Drew L's Pool A. And she's a real rider chick. You know the type, keep the raven silent. Say, baby, I don't know what it is about you. I realize that no matter what I do, I can't live without you. Baby, I'm no good at this, cause I'm used to thugging. And I realize that it's you that I wanna give all my loving. She be my ride or die, she's right by my side. Got a shotty in the whip and we gon' ride. Love everything about her, she makes me crazy. All my boys give me shit, but that's my baby. She was there when I was sitting in a cell. That's why I take a shot, and she fitting in it well. On my big scheme, she be fitting in as well. And she be independent, she getting it as well. And we be kissing and touching and rubbing hips with me. I got a kick in the bucket when I'm inside of it. And we be touching and teasing and we be rubbing and squeezing. I'm doing it for no reason when I'm inside of it. And we could go forever, it's all night long. This song lasts forever, this the right song. I get down on my knees, I wanna wifey her. Because beyond the mic, my whole life is her. Baby, I don't know what it is about you, but I realize that no matter what I do, I can't live without you. Baby, I'm no good at this, I'm used to thugging. I realize that it's you I wanna give all my loving. Oh, die, this is for my bride. Oh, die, right. Oh, die, this is for my bride. Oh, die. Alright, so without further ado, let's try and get some chills.
Yeah! Zach, everybody, this is Zach Robinson.
Here we are, southbound train, feelings and vibes. Oh, where you go, I got you as we flow my burden out in space. Oh, here we are, southbound train, loving you's always how I've been trained. No ifs, no buts, babe, on the sound. here today. Are you? Said you love me always. Now I'm having these feelings for you. Here we are, northbound train. My love has always been here to stay. It ain't going nowhere. Sure thing, north. Here we are, northbound train. Oh, how grateful I am, baby. You can hear me from miles away. The northbound train so loud. Oh, here today, singing you. Said you love me always. Now I'm having these feelings for you. Have you ever felt like you were falling in love? Or have you ever been there? Oh, have you felt like those dreams of yours could come true? Oh, could true? Oh, today, am you? Said you love me always, and now you know that I'm having these feelings. Oh, love is like a wave in the sky. If you feel it, then you feel it. Right for big sounds. Thank you, my friends. Good to see you all.